What's going on, y'all? It's Big Wayner, and welcome back to my cringy YouTube videos that I don't know why people watch. Okay, I literally made a peanut butter jelly sandwich in the last one. As you may or not be may or may not be able to see, I got a new dog, and its name is Piper's, and it's a cute little girl. 8 weeks now, basically 8 weeks. Gold retriever. I surprised my sister with her. And yeah, so we're gonna have to do some duck hunting. I'm gonna have to get into duck hunting now that I have a golden retriever to retrieve my ducks. Except duck hunting and goose hunting is expensive, and I don't have really people that, I don't know, it's just expensive. But anyways, here's Cop, big Cop, right there. They're getting along good. I don't know what to film today. Piper, what should I film? What should I film? What a cutie. Hopper, what should I film? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh well, we'll find something to do. Maybe make a ham and cheese sandwich this time.
I want to get your puppy.
Wait, we are!
Oh, they got like 100 German Shepherds. Buying them from a Amish family. See? Paige has found a dog. Alright, y'all, so Paige got a dog.
You're talking so loud.
And this will be my hunting dog. She's gonna finish me some geese. I'm gonna start geese hunting and goose hunting and duck hunting, and that's gonna be my little companion. She's gonna be retrieving my stuff. It's golden retriever, the girl, and her name is Piper. Oh, y'all,
At least I didn't get on me.
dog threw up on my sister. Smells great. See y'all back at the house. Alright, y'all, I got a package. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I have no idea what it is. Maybe a dog collar. Alexa told me there's a dog collar coming today. Alright. Y'all, it's a gander hammer, buck garner, gander hammer, and a mallard hammer. Duck calls. Champions of calling. Y'all, I barely know how to work a goose and duck call. I really don't know how to use one of these, y'all. This is a duck. I'm gonna have to research on how to use these things. I don't know. Alrighty, y'all. I don't know, but I like them. This is gonna be, I'm gonna research how to use one of these and get back to y'all. So how'd y'all... How'd y'all like my crispy edits? I think I got figured out now. That needs some work, but I don't know. And this one, I'm trying to do the feed call better. Alright, I'll just keep practicing, work on it, and then we'll do something else. Alright, y'all. See you later.
We out here mudding. When you're too broke to afford a four-wheeler or a Ranger.
that's enough of that. What are we gonna do, Jack? He don't know. He don't know what we're gonna do. We don't have a car right now. What are we gonna do? Ain't know what to do. There ain't nothing to do. It's the middle of the winter and everything's closed. Can't wait to get some of that. Let's go ice fishing.
Yeah, let's go. I was gonna say that.
Let's go ice fishing. Where you so y'all, actually the ice on the pond we were gonna go to had aerators, so the ice was too thin, and my auger needs new blades because we couldn't barely get through the ice. Took a long time. But the ice was really thin, so we couldn't get into spots we wanted to, so we tried off the dock a little bit, but it wasn't worth our time. So then we decided to come back and get the call and go coyote hunting, but I didn't have any bullets for my 223, my Savage 223. I didn't have no bullets. Or I couldn't find them, I should say, because I do have some. But anyways, we got the bullets now, so in a future video we'll probably go coyote hunting because that's the only thing that's open. Ice fishing, coyote hunting. That once the water unthaws, we can try and get out there fishing more, but we're probably gonna have to wait a little while because I won't be able to drive the boat, so it's just gonna be out of the kayak, and I don't really feel like tipping in cold ass water and dying in a kayak. So anyways, we'll get out there. I think I'm gonna end it here now because the video's like 12 minutes long. But anyways, I got my lawnmower running, or the poon slayers we like to call it. We got that running, so we had a little fun on it. So this, yeah, has a loose connection, so I bought new connectors and connected it and filled her up with glass. So got my calls. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll do another vlog tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this one, and I'll see y'all next time. Be back here next time. Probably will be a banger. It's always bangers on Wayne's Outdoors. It's been Big Wayner. I'll see you next time.